So now we'll study about regular verb. What do you mean by regular verb? The verb that explains whether the action has taken place in the past or it is taking place continuously is known as regular verb. Let's see some examples. Rahul played well. Here, played is the action verb and it has already taken place in the past, so played here is a regular verb. Next example. Shweta danced beautifully. As danced is the regular verb because it has taken place in the past. Next is irregular verb. The verb that has its unique form is known as irregular verb, and they are not necessarily be formed by adding an ed to the root verb. So whenever we don't add ed to a verb, it is an irregular verb. Let's see some examples. He knew that he sings well. Here, the verb knew is the past form of root verb know. So here we have not added ed to knew. So it's a irregular verb. Next, Rohit went for an interview. Here, went is the past form of go. So here we have not added ed to the root verb. So went is an irregular verb. Now we'll study about transitive verb. When the direct object receives the action, it is known as transitive verb. Let's learn it with some examples. Ravi went to the park. Here, Ravi is the subject, went is the transitive verb, and the park is the direct object. So here, the direct object, that is the park, is receiving the action from the subject, that is Ravi. So here the transitive verb would be went. Let's see some more example. Raman kicked the ball. So here the direct object is the ball, and Raman, as we are talking about Raman, so Raman is the subject in a sentence. Kicked is the action verb. So here direct object is receiving the action directly from the subject, that is Raman. So kicked here is a transitive verb. Next is intransitive verb. When the verb does not have direct object, it is known as intransitive verb. Let's have some examples. She fell. Here, fell is intransitive verb as there is no direct object linked to it. As we have not explained anything in detail, we just know that she fell. Okay? Let's come to the next example. Raman failed. Here, failed is intransitive verb as there is no direct object linked to it. So here the only thing that we know is Raman failed. We do not know where failed or in which subject he failed. So here there is no direct object involved in this sentence. So failed is the intransitive verb.